Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are doing the second part of page number 44, which is discussing Gunnah and Gunnah. There are two huruf Gunnah, Noon and Mim. We discussed before Noon with tashdid, and that is a first harf Gunnah. Today we are discussing the second one. This is Mim with tashdid, and that is a harf letter of Gunnah too. And here, thumma tha is for dhamma, with dhamma, and for dhamma, you're circling your lips and make sure you engage a right makhraj of tha. And what is the makhraj of tha? From where you will pronounce tha? It is when you are touching tip of your tongue to the frontal to teeth, at the edge of frontal to teeth. So make sure you engage that and that makhraj very clearly. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Thum. This is where you are creating gunna. You are when you are attaching the letter before it to meme. And for fatha, open your jaws. The sound should be short. Ma, sum. How will you stop? You will simply remove this fatha, and what is left meme with the tashdid, and that what you invites a proper gunna. So even though you are giving waqf, you are not dropping the sifa of meme, and the sifa, the quality of meme is a gunna. So you will not drop it. Thum, tham, for fatha, open your jaws, you engage a right makhraj, and then attach with meme, tham, and fatha is short, ma, tham, and how will you stop? You will not remove this quality of meme. It will stay even it has a waqf at the end. Tham, I'm from your throat. It should be very clearly from your throat. For patha, open your jaws. Attach with meme. This is the time where you are applying gunna. Am, and for fatha, open your jaws and give a short sound. Ma, am, ma. How will you stop? You will simply remove your fatha, and what is remaining meme with tashdid, and it indicates that when you are giving, even you are giving waqf, you are stopping at the end. You are not dropping that gunna. And Meme for kasra, give this E sound, me, and then attach with the letter after it. Make sure you don't drop this E sound. This is the, and this is related to this kasra. So this kasra shouldn't be dropped while you are attaching it with the letter after it. Meme. This was the gunna which you applied. For fatha, open your jaws and give a short sound. Ma, mim, ma. And how will you stop? You will simply remove fatha, and mim with tashdid, mim with gunna will be remaining, and you will not drop it even if you are giving waqf. Mim, lam. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with meme. This is the point where you are applying gunna, lam, and after that this is a long vowel, and you will give 2 counts long sound, because alif sakina qablaha maftu is the long vowel, waw sakina qablaha madmum, and ya sakina qablaha maksur are the long vowels which are naturally long, and these has to be stretched 2 counts long. Ma. So how will you stop? You will say as it is. Whenever you find long vowel at the very end where you are giving waqf, you are not changing anything. You just say as it is. Lamma. This is how you give waqf. And in continuation, it is the same. Lamma. So for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. As soon as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a natural and simple position, and that is when you don't say anything, your lips are straight. This is the position has to be there when uh, you touch meme. When you are giving gunna, your lips should be in a very straight position. For dhamma, circle your lips very well. One, give the wasat at the end. Mon. How will you stop? You will you will remove this tanween and keep gunna there. Jam. Give gunna. And for um, Fathatain, you remember how we do it. We just remove one fatha, and what is remaining? Look, if I remove this one fatha, what is remaining? This is 2 counts long vowel. Yes, so you will give 2 counts long when you will give waqf, and this is called mad iwab. You are exchanging the sound of tanween into 2 counts long vowel. So this is why this name has given mad arrow. Jamma gham. Ghain is a heavy letter, so give right capital H attached with meme gham. This is where you are applying gunna. For kasratin, you will give the wasut min min. How will you stop? You will simply remove this tanween kasr, and the meme with tashdid will be remaining, and you will not drop gunna even though you are stopping at the end. Gham, fa, give hums on fa. Fa Fa is the letter whenever it is with fatha, dhamma, kasra, in any position. It will take the sifa of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. Otherwise, it will sound like wow. So make sure you give hums. F, lam, attach lam with meme. Here you're applying gunna, and at the end there is 2 counts long vowel. Ma, falamma. How will you stop? When there is mud letter at the end, you will say as it is. Falamma. Ha, ha should be from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws, attach with meme. Here you are going to apply gunna, and then meme is attached with the mat, and that will you have to apply sifa of hums here. Bahasa Shakhsan are the letters whenever these are with sukoon, and ta is one of them. So and whenever these are with sukoon, you will give hums, and hums is a flow of breath. This sound should be there. Hammats. But with ta, if ta is with fatha dhamma kasra, you will not apply this sifa. No, not at all. So here you're applying because it is with sakun. Hammats. How will you stop? It will stay the same. It's very nice, right? Hammats. Hamza is a very sharp sound for fatha. Open your jaws, attached with meme. Here you are applying unna. And meme is attached with noon. Man. Noon will take sifa of tawassut. Lin, Omar are the letters. These are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of tawassut. That tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Medium flow of sound. These are the root for Gunnah, so you give capital G for it. Okay, sorry. So mim for kasra. How will you stop here? Yes, with sifa of tawassut. Yes, mim for kasra. Give this sound me and attach with the other meme. So this E sound should be there because this is a kasra actually. This M is for meme and this double E is for kasra. Me, meme, meme. This is a hunna which you did. And for fatha, open your jaws and attach with noon, man with tawassut. Mim man. How will you stop? It will stay the same. Mim man. For Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will attach it with meme, your lips should be in a very natural position because you remember that, look, ummatan, ummatan. So the any letter with tashdid has twin letters under it. Okay, so so first one is this one, and the second one is ma, ma. So when you are saying letter with sukoon, the your lips should be in a very straight position. Okay, so make sure you give that. Otherwise, if you will keep on circling your lips even though you are on meme, it will give the idea to the listener that there is dhamma on meme too, but we cannot change the harakat of Quran. So make sure you keep your lips straight when you are saying meme. Ma. For second meme, you are giving fatha, so you are opening your jaws and the sound should be short. Ma. Then you take off the wasat at the end because you are saying tanween. Ummatan. And how will you stop? You whenever you found the circle ta, you change it into ha. So circle your lips very well. Ham, have from your throat, attach with meme. This is where you are going to apply hunna. Ham, and fatha is short. Ma, dun. Give the wasat because you know these two dhammas. One dhamma is dhamma like do, and the second one is noon with sukoon. So whenever you are saying noon with sukoon, you have to give sifa out the wasat. Muhammadun. Yes. So how will you stop? Yes, dal is a letter of qalqala. Whenever this will get sukoon, because you are giving sukoon, because you are giving you're applying waqf at the end. So it will get sifa of qalqala. Muhammad. Mu. Circle your lips very well. For dhamma, the sound should be short. Mu. Sam. This is a gunna what you did, and ma, this is 2 counts long because it is equal to this. Ma, it is written like this, but it is this. So it is a beautiful style of Quran. Oof, I love this style. Musamma. How will you stop at the end when there is a 2 counts long vowel at the end? It will stay the same. Musamma. Two. For dhamma, circle your lips. Dam. This is where you are applying gunna. You are keeping sound in your nose. Mi. Kasra. Give it a very, very short sound. And the sound should be like this. Mi. Uru. For dhamma, circle your lips, and ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with dhamma or fatha, it is heavy. The sound should be uru. You lift your root of your tongue towards your palate. Ru. To them. Ru. How will you stop? You will give sukoon and draw with sukoon will get sifa of tawassut. To them. When you will stop, raw will be light because raw with sukoon, then we will see the letter before it. When it is with kasra, raw will be light. To them, them. This is where you are applying punna. Attached with raw, raw will get sip of the wasut. To them, sorry, them. Na, 2 counts long. How will you stop? You will say it as it is. دمرنا for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme, and we will get sifa. Kunna as soon you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Mil, keep e sound meal. Tum, circle your lips and give the wasultan meme. Tum, hum, tum. How will you stop? It will stay the same. For dhamma, circle your lips, attach with meme. This is where you're applying kunna. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, ha, it's 2 counts long. Two, circle your lips. The sound should be short. Kum for the circle your lips, and as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a natural, normal position. Kum with tawassut. How you start will stay the same. I'm from your throat, attached with meme. This is where you're applying gunna. Ma. This is actually this. This was actually this. Ha, ma, two, two. For the circle your lips and comb for circle your lips. Attach with meme as soon as you let say meme. Your lips should be in a very natural position with the wasut kum annatukum. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته